Now, the name of tonight's presentation is The Danger of Great Fat. But before we get into that, I would like to warn you that probably the bulk of what information I will be giving to you will be inaccurate. So let us move on. Let's start with a definition of terms. Whenever you think you know where it's at, remember, your brain is just a gob of gray fat. That's right, gray fat. You drop it on the floor and the fat goes, what? You drop it on the floor and the fat goes, what? You drop it on the floor and the fat goes splat. It's fat. Not good for much more than, say, hunting and gathering, campfires, blathering. We'd be talking about the gray fat, trying to do the high math, while the belly lay down below and tries not to laugh. So let's start with the danger of gray fat in relationship to the individual. I am an individual. You are individuals. Wait, individuals. San Francisco, crawling with individuals. California, loaded with individuals. And then it's onward through the fog to those billions of individuals that are out there wandering around in multiple directions. Yes, we are little snowflakes. But once again, I see something that we have in common. And that is the value of what we're looking at. For instance, what do we see when we see if we see? What we see is up, down, good, bad, summer, winter, fall, spring. We see black, white. We see day, night. We see justice. We see injustice. We see significance. We see insignificance. So if you gave a numeric value to what we're looking at, what's really happening here is that we see that which is positive, which we will call +1. We see that which is equally negative, which is -1. Therefore, if we add up what we're looking at, they cancel out to 0. And gray fat doesn't really know what to do with 0. 0 is boring. So what does gray fat do? Gray fat seeks out entertainment value. And so let's discuss the danger of gray fat in relationship to entertainment value.